Energy is life. If you have energy, you have life. If you have no energy, you don't have life. In our world, money is an exchange unit of energy. If I give you a checkbook for energy, not a checkbook for money, but for energy units in your body, I think you would be very much cautious about where you're going to write your checks to. My energy of my life governs every aspect from waking up until falling asleep. If I start to squander that energy by putting it out but not getting anything back, it's exactly the same as writing a check and saying, here, you can have this money.
The investment of thought. Eckhart Tolle, he says, watching the thinker. When thought frequencies come into me that could be negative, that could be saying something negative about someone else or about myself, if I think about writing a check to myself, that's a negative number.
Absolutely.
Right? That's a great way to be able to kind of channel your thoughts towards richer thoughts. Richer thoughts attract richness. Worry is a form of praying for something that you don't want. Worrying is also a form of investing your thoughts towards something you don't have control over.